Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting an iMovie with your assets ready. Import both background and subject clips into the project media. Next, drag the background clip into the timeline as the base layer so it fills the playhead range. Make sure it's long enough for your scene. Then drag the subject clip above the background. iMovie will offer overlay options. Choose the overlay immediately so you can apply the green/blue screen effect. This first setup determines how cleanly the background replacement will align and scale. Now select the top clip and open Video Overlay settings from the viewer controls. This is where you switch the overlay mode. Choose green/blue screen if you shot on a solid backdrop, or picture-in-picture if you need compositing. Once applied, scale and reposition the foreground so the subject fits the scene naturally. Use the Fit/Crop tools if needed. Then refine the matte with the Erase and Softness sliders to remove color spill and soften edges, which preserves detail and prevents harsh cutouts. Finish by playing the timeline to check color, exposure, and audio sync. Make color corrections on either clip to match tones and light. Once satisfied, export a short test file to confirm there are no artifacts or dropped frames in the final render. If you see edge flicker or leftover green, try increasing softness a touch, adjust erase areas, or, if possible, reshoot with more even lighting and a smoother backdrop. This troubleshooting step fixes most background replacement issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.